Good morning, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This morning, going to give an update on the Fairdesk copy trading. I've done two recent videos about Fairdesk. One was about the exchange itself as an overview, but also the copy trading, which I'm actually fascinated by. Now, I'm going to show you the trades that I've been doing. It's been, let's say, that since that last video, I've been doing quite a few trades, but I'm constantly reading up about trading. I've really embraced it lately, reading up about trading strategies and how to go about it and just constantly learn about different strategies within trading itself. Okay, there's no guarantee. Now, this is extremely high risk. I never put anything you can't afford to lose. There's no guarantee you'll make money with this. But me personally, the more I read up, I'm hoping it will become a passive income stream weekly. That's my plan. I say 2 weeks. I've basically been on Fairdesk now doing this basically just under a month. Okay. Now, when you first go on Fairdesk, copy trade, you can see there's many traders on it. People with incredible experience, and trading knowledge, shall we say. Now, you can see the ranking. Now, some of these big people obviously got huge followings. You see Virtual Bacon, Crypto YouTuber, has got 915 followers. But you also see all their win rates, okay, last 7 days, 3 weeks. You can see all different parts of it, okay? Now, when you actually scroll to the bottom, you can actually see there's 40 plus pages of trades. There's a lot of people doing this, okay? And also you can see here the 7-day win rate. Okay, these are people who've done the best in the last 7 days. Again, look at these 100% win rates. Look at the 7-day profits, 7-day follower profits. Okay, now bear in mind, each copy traders are getting a percentage of each person who's copy trading and following them. Okay, so otherwise it's got to make it worth their while for them to embrace what they're doing. Okay, so they get a certain percentage if you follow them and copy their trade. They're the experts, and you're merely just copying. Now, obviously, I'm doing it myself. To be completely honest, I wouldn't classify myself as an expert trader. I'm constantly learning at the moment. We show my trades in a minute, but just want to highlight the fact how many people are on here doing absolutely fantastic. Okay, there's people with a lot of followers in here. A lot of people believe in it. Now, copy trading is a really easy way of doing it, but I really do recommend you read up on trading and do it yourself. Okay, but in the meantime, copy trading I think is excellent. Now, I've done copy trading on other sites, which I mentioned before, but I'm solely focusing on Fairdesk because I really like the layout. It's so easy, and it's built for longevity. Their site as a general, plus its copy trade, I think it's going to get better and better the way it's laid out. I really do like it, okay, and I find it actually fascinating what they're doing within their site. Now, you can see on the screen, basically my rates. I haven't got any followers at the moment, expected to be honest. Now, I had one bad trade recently. When we had that big dump, it caught everyone quite by surprise. But you can see I've done 21 total trades and I've won 18. I've lost 3. Okay, last 7 days, 137 tether profit, 7-day profit loss 107. Okay, now when you scroll down, you can see the profit loss that I've been doing. That was obviously a good one, 89. But you can see that's why it's all a case of just researching, just doing basic profits. And as I say, as I learn and as I develop, I want to basically make this a passive income. Now, I say there's obviously no guarantee about future results. You can see there the 7-day win rate, 85.71%. 3 weeks, 83.3. Okay. Now, if you want to join, there is a link for Fairdesk below. There always is. Come and join it to support the channel. Or I will do another update video the next few weeks, month, or whatever, and we'll see what my win rate is and how I'm developing and what sort of profit I'm getting. So I won't say I'm a massive trader or anything like that, but I just want to get some nice solid income, which is always great, especially not in a full-on bull market when obviously me personally I'll just be watching the altcoins go up and I won't have to do trade or anything like that. So it's really important to have a plan. What's your passive income plans? What's your plans for your altcoins? Okay, me personally, take profits, set price targets, or I know quite a few people just last a bull run and say, hey, look at all this, what it's worth, and then the market slowly comes down into a bear market and they've missed the opportunity to get profits. Okay, so again, I'll give you an overview. Also got this when you search trader on here, done a search for me, you can see here, gives an overview. So I do have a link to join Fairdesk. I'll say if you just want to join it to hold your altcoins, and there is an earn section, which I've done another video, but merely if you just want to start looking at the copy trading, follow some other traders, just see how it works. Perhaps put a little, you can start as little as $5. Okay. Now, one thing they also announced recently was this: join copy trading and challenge yourself, unlock up to $1,000 copy cash. To celebrate the arrival of copy trading, Fairdesk offers new users an exclusive 10% cash return. This is an old article, but they're still running with it. Okay, max of $1,000 tether for users who come to Fairdesk and try the new feature. Make a deposit and transfer to copy trading account, and you'll get 10% return to your copy trading account as a copy cash. The copy cash tether can be withdrawn after. Okay, so again, I think that's absolutely wonderful. Again, it talks in there how much you've got to do to get the tether. Okay, so there's obviously a lot, but it's another an opportunity they're offering people. Now, so I've done a previous video about Fairdesk as an overview, and you've got the different, you can buy crypto on here, the earn section. But at the moment, I say I'm solely focusing on the copy trade on this site. So I say, I'm going to do some update videos. I'm doing okay. Obviously, I've still got to learn some more. But just like I said, I'd give an update video. I just want to give an overview. So my win rate at the sale is not too bad. Obviously, not 100%. It could be better. And again, we'll keep you updated. It'll be fascinating to see in a couple of weeks or a month's time what my win rate is then. Okay, has it come down? Has it gone up? Who knows? I'm constantly reading up. I spend every day, spend about half an hour or an hour sometimes just reading up on strategies from people who've been doing it for years. You get lots of sites, give you all the different candlesticks, etc. It's really quite fascinating the way trading works, but I say it's no guarantee. So thanks very much. If you want to help, as usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com, all my social media links. But come and join us on the Telegram group. Do appreciate everyone there. And I say I'll be giving regular updates as I progress on Fairdesk. So have a wonderful day. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.